Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you a simple trick how you can remove objects or even persons from photos and images here on photopea.com. So let's get started. Alright guys, this is actually a matter of a few clicks. What you want to do is upload the file or the photo you would like to edit by clicking on File here and by selecting Open from the drop-down menu. Now locate the photo on your device and upload it. I'm going to use that photo here for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do next is select the lasso tool here on the left sidebar, select it, and after that simply outline the object, or in this case here the person you would like to remove from your photo, by holding your left mouse and by simply drawing or outlining the person. So let me start here and keep outlining the person just like that while holding your left mouse and here, and get back to the starting point just like that. And what you want to do after that is click on Edit here at the top menu, select Fill from the drop down menu, and here from that drop down menu select Content Aware, confirm by clicking on OK here. Wait for a moment. Now the editing may or may not take a moment depending on the difficulty, of course, but as you can see in this case here, the effect has been applied pretty instantaneously. So the object or the person here in this case has been removed and all we see is the background instead. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.